Excuse us, sir. We're playing a game here.
May you mind? He wants to.
I guess we could let him roll for us. We're not doing very good rolling. You fit so you sits? Oh, he's gonna knock my. Oh no, he's gonna knock my numbers out. Just gonna close my doors. Oh, nope, he didn't close any doors.
Please don't close my 8. Wow. What did I get?
10. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. We were trying to play a game.
And he's gonna get in your sack.
Wow. That's
Okay, I'm gonna try to roll.
Sir? Sir?
Oh, I got a 1 and a 3.
Sir? We're in the middle of a game. We're in the middle of a game, sir. May you get out of here.
Are you gonna
Bro.
roll for me? Okay, thank you.
Down and get a 4. What's even?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
So, if
Well, I mean, I just
something just moved my
open the
dice.
3 and
Something
close
just
the 3.
moved. Something moved in my dice. Something moved.
Oh, I wonder what.
I'll get 10. But
Excuse me, sir.
excuse.
No, I don't like doing that because then they bounce all over the place. 6 and a 6, 12.
Oh no. 1 and 1. Excuse me, sir.
How many times are you gonna roll?
I'm starting
Hey.
to give up. I'm starting to get up.
No, can't give up.